history's strangest rituals from ancient empires. Across centuries and continents, empires practiced some of the most unusual traditions known to mankind. In the Mongol Empire, forging alliances wasn't just political, it was personal. Tribal leaders would cut their palms and press them together in a solemn blood brotherhood ceremony, sealing loyalty through shared blood. In ancient Rome, the festival of Lupercalia, held every February 15th, involved men sprinting through the streets draped in garments made from sacrificed goats. As they ran, they struck nearby women with leather strips, a ritual believed to boost fertility and ease childbirth. The Bo people of ancient China had a different take on honoring the dead. Rather than burying their loved ones, they suspended coffins along the edges of towering cliffs. This elevation, they believed, brought souls closer to the heavens and shielded them from evil. Meanwhile, the Aztecs performed some of the most chilling ceremonies.